Yes, guys. Have you ever watched movie Dancing in the Sun? Let me see. I don't know names of movie. Let me see if I've watched it before. Mm-mm. I've never watched it before. It's a Spanish movie. Right, let me see this. I gotta see the characters them in the movie and then I know if I watch it. Carry me to the moon. My kid says when I dance, I'm embarrassing them. So, mommy, you're embarrassing because you can't dance. I have a daughter who dances very, very well. And she consistently tells me that how embarrassing I am because I can't dance and why I don't give up dancing. But what she don't understand is not up. No, I've never watched this movie before. It's not the perfecting the dance. It's actually moving my body, and it's hard for me. You know what I mean? Like I just move, and it's an expression of, who I am. Whether it is what do you call it now? Choreograph. What do you call that word? Choreography. Whether it's coordinated well or not, for me, it is good because I feel good in my body. You know what I mean? She said, what my husband came home and says? He's like, I didn't know you could dance. I was like, why you say that? He said, I saw you on YouTube dancing, and I didn't know you could dance. And how about my kids telling me I can't dance, and that is not a dance, and this is not that. So I was dancing for Chef Sheridan the other day. I was doing butterfly and bogle. And they talk about, what is she doing? That is not even a dance. I'm like, these kids, they don't even know that dance. You know what I mean? They don't know that it's a dance. These kids are out of their mind. You said, there you go. Like the way you articulate your excuse for dancing. It's just movement. It's just an expression of who I am. That's just authentically me. That's just authentically me. That's me. You know. That's me having fun, enjoying who I am. I don't do the TikTok one because they're gonna come at me, The youngsters on TikTok are gonna come and say, "Oh, you can't dance." So I don't do it on TikTok. I do it on YouTube because, I have age appropriate crowd over here. Not like age appropriate crowd is not on TikTok, but it's not like I'm a professional dancer that I'm gonna dance on TikTok, But on here, I can just do some move, just a move. I wanna take it on a party ride. Woo! We gonna beat him. We gonna do the electric slide. Woo! Gotta move. Ooh. You know what I mean? And I'm just enjoying myself, Connecting with my body. No. I didn't even take that dancing. My husband can't dance. He tell you that he can dance. No, that can't dance. He will tell you that he can dance though. My husband cannot dance, okay? But he'll tell you that he can dance. I don't want to put the cow skin in the pressure cooker. And normally when I put it on the stove like this, it will already like cook already. And then it's too soft. So I didn't put it in the pressure cooker tonight. And it's like, I don't know what's going on, bro. Come on.